Salesforce offers a comprehensive suite of cloud services designed to enhance customer relationship management capabilities and streamline business processes. These services cater to various business needs, providing tools for sales, marketing, analytics, and more. Let's delve into Salesforce's diverse offerings and discover how they can benefit your business. Salesforce Sales Cloud is integral to our customer relationship management, streamlining sales, marketing, and customer service. It automates sales processes, centralizes customer data, and supports over 82,400 businesses in managing resources efficiently. This customizable service accelerates sales cycles and enhances collaboration, offering access to numerous applications via AppExchange. Service Cloud empowers businesses to deliver fast, personalized customer service across multiple channels like phone, email, and social media. This ensures seamless support experiences, boosting customer satisfaction and loyalty. By integrating these channels, businesses can efficiently manage customer interactions, enhancing overall service quality and fostering long-term relationships. Collaboration Cloud with Chatter revolutionizes team dynamics by offering real-time updates and secure information sharing. Users can follow colleagues and documents, fostering a dynamic work environment. This ensures data security through an organization-wide sharing model, enhancing collaboration across business applications. Custom Cloud empowers businesses to swiftly develop applications on the Force.com platform, offering significant speed and cost advantages. It streamlines enterprise app development, reducing operational costs and simplifying integration. This approach is 5 times faster and more cost-effective than traditional methods, enabling businesses to innovate efficiently without hefty upfront expenses. Marketing Cloud offers a robust digital marketing platform for managing content and engaging customers. It supports email, social media, and web personalization, enhancing communication and customer connections. This service empowers organizations to effectively reach and engage their audience, driving better marketing outcomes. Analytics Cloud empowers businesses with a robust business intelligence platform, enhancing data visualization through intuitive graphs and charts. This service seamlessly integrates with other Salesforce offerings, enabling improved decision-making. By leveraging comprehensive data insights, businesses can drive strategic actions and optimize performance across various functions. Commerce Cloud delivers exceptional customer experiences online and in-store by integrating customer data. This enhances service quality and engagement, ensuring a seamless customer journey. It focuses on providing positive interactions, crucial for businesses aiming to elevate their customer service and satisfaction. App Cloud empowers businesses to innovate by building custom applications within Salesforce. Utilizing tools like Force.com and Heroku, it supports tailored app development, meeting unique business needs. This platform fosters innovation and customization, enhancing operational efficiency and adaptability in a dynamic market landscape. Community Cloud enhances communication among employees, customers, and partners by enabling real-time data sharing. It allows businesses to create personalized communities for problem-solving and engagement, improving user experiences and productivity. This service is crucial for fostering collaboration and ensuring seamless interaction across various business stakeholders. Salesforce Internet of Things. Cloud processes data from various devices and sensors, enabling real-time responses. It offers a robust platform for storing and analyzing Internet of Things data, supporting businesses in leveraging Internet of Things for improved operations. This service enhances operational efficiency by transforming raw data into actionable insights, driving smarter business decisions. Salesforce's diverse cloud services offer comprehensive solutions for businesses to enhance customer relationship management and operational efficiency. By leveraging these services, companies can improve customer experiences and streamline processes. Explore Salesforce's offerings to transform your business today.